Check out this avocado tree. Put it from seed. It's about 6 years old now. Probably a year or two away from fruiting. This variety could take 8 to 9 years to start. It's the hasnt avocado. The ones you buy at the store, we just took the seed from one of them and put them down. Probably got like 4 or 5 of these in pots, but this one we threw in the ground and it's just been going. This tree had been here actually longer. It's a orange tree, but the super small oranges that are very sour, I forget what they're called. I just call them in Spanish Chinese orange because we call it naranja china, but not too sure what the name is in English. But yeah, this avocado tree, when it starts producing, is gonna be nice. It's real healthy. Getting some sunburn because we've had a couple 110 days, but summer's a few weeks from being over. So last year it was getting kind of crooked, but I straightened it out with a stake and it looks like it's been, doing well ever since that. When you start them from seed, they get a little crazier because when you buy them from Home Depot or a greenhouse or a nursery, they're actually really old trees even though they're small. So they've been grafted and, or not grafted, but trimmed to have a strong trunk ever since birth. So if you start something from seed, just make sure that you're always trimming it to create a large, strong trunk that can support the tree by itself. But yeah, we built this, or my friend Alex built this. It's a nice little planter. We built it when we built this part of the wall over here. It keeps in all the water for it and lots of mulch. And we put rocks there because my dog keeps going in and trying to piss there. He loves the avocado tree for some reason. But yeah, dope tree. Start one from seed if you guys can.